Hi guys, I hope that you're all doing well. In today's lesson, we'll learn about roots in exponents. So the law basically states that to find the root of a power, you have to divide the exponents. For example, if you're required to simplify, let's say the square root of a to the power 4, b to the power 6. The first thing that you should know is that whenever you're given such a root, you should know that there's an invisible 2 there. So we can rewrite this here as the square root of 2. We have a to the power 4, b to the power 6. So we have to divide each exponent inside the square root by 2, by this number. So let's start with a. We write down our base, which is a. We take the exponent 4, we divide it by 2. Inner divided by outer, which is 4 over 2. Now let's move to b. We have b to the power 6 over 2. And our final answer will be a. 4 divided by 2 is 2. B. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this is how we solve. If you still don't understand, that's okay. Let's do a few more practice questions and you will understand this after. Now let's try number 2. We have 16x to the power 8, y to the power 10. You know that there's always an invisible 2 there. If you're not given a number, it could be 2 or 3. It just depends. So you can rewrite this as we have our 2 there, 16x to the power 8, y to the power 10. How do we solve this again? We have to take the square root of the number 16 and divide the exponents of the variables by 2. So let's start with 16. This will be 16. You know that there's an invisible 1 there. If you have, let's just say 16 as a coefficient or a value, you know there's an invisible 1. So it has to be 16 1 over outer, which is 2. Then x, we have x to the power 8 divided by 2, inner divided by outer. Then y to the power 10 over 2. 16 to the power 1 over 2 should give you 4. Then x, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Y, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Your answer is 4x to the power 4, y to the power 5. Now let's try the third example. This time let's make it a bit different. Instead of having nothing or 2, let's use 3. 27, a to the power 15, b to the power 6. How do we solve this? We start with the value, which is 27. You know that it's 27 to the power 1 over the outer, which is 3. A, we have 15 divided by 3. Then b, 6 inner divided by outer, which is 3. Then 27 to the power 1 over 3 should give you 3. A, we have 15 divided by 3, which is 5. B, 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Now, what if you had a negative coefficient or a negative value? Let's try. We have negative 64x to the power 6, y to the power 18. This is a cube root, so we have to say inner divided by outer. Let's start with negative 16. Excuse me, negative 64. It'll be negative 64 to the power, it's obviously 1, invisible 1 over 3. Then x to the power inner divided by outer, which is 6 over 3. Then y, we have inner divided by outer, 18 divided by 3. Because it's a negative coefficient, we can just put this in a bracket. Negative 64 to the power 1 over 3 should give you negative 4. X, 6 over 3 should give you 2. Then y, 18 divided by 3 should give you 6. And that is how we deal with the roots in grade 9 exponents. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video where we do more examples.